Mass number from the periodic table for Na, 22.99. What's the mass number for chlorine? 35.45, which is the same number. Let's go ahead, add those up, 58.44. So just like that little flip chart, I'm going to put 1 mole is equal to 58.44 grams of NaCl. Now I can grab my other pen and I can mark out moles of NaCl because they cancel. Look what I'm left with. Grams of NaCl. I circle it because that's what I have circled up here. I'm going to go ahead and now do my math, and I end up with the answer of 116.88 grams of NaCl. You must write your SI unit behind it. Not too bad? I know. It's weird. It's different. We've got to practice this. Let's practice again. How many grams, okay, because that's my question mark, grams, circle it, are in 4.95 moles of Na3PO4? Okay, what do I do? Step 1, I write down what they gave me. 4.95 moles of Na3PO4. I want to cancel them out like I do in algebra class. So for me to cancel them out, they have to be opposite and the same. So I'm going to put moles of Na3PO4. They're about to cancel out. Now, moles to grams. I'm going to come back over here. Moles to grams is this one right here. Let's flip it open. What should it look like? I should put the moles that was given to me over here. I'm going to write the word 1 mole down here, and I'm going to get the molar mass from the periodic chart in grams up here. Let's do that. What elements do I have? Sodium, I have phosphorus, and I have oxygen. How many sodiums do I have? 3. How many phosphorus? 1. How many oxygens? 4. Go to the periodic table. What is oxygen? 16. Phosphorus is 30.97. And Na sodium is 22.99. Multiply those numbers. Add them all up. I got 68.97. I got 30.97, and 16 times 4 is 64. Add them all up together. I got 163.94. That number, it told me to go over here. 163.94 grams of Na3PO4. What did it tell me on my little flip chart to put down here? 1 mole. Now you can see my units cancel out. I'm left with grams. I circle it, and that's what I circled up here. They're the same. I'm done. I don't have to do any more dimensional analysis. Do your math. I end up with 811.50 grams of Na3PO4. Not too bad? All right, I'm expecting you to practice this one here on your own. I'm going to highlight it because that's what I'm going to check when I'm grading, that you did that one on your own. Now the word formula weight. Remember, we did formula weight already. Formula weight wasn't too bad, wasn't hard. Formula weight is from the periodic table. Okay? When we use the word molar mass, we think periodic table. When we use the word molar mass, we also mean the word formula weight. They're just used the same. The word formula weight is the same thing as molar mass or molecular mass. Okay? And I'm going to put here parentheses equals, like I'm going to do a little arrow. and I'm going to say PT, periodic table. So those four things, when we use in chemistry periodic table, molecular mass, molar mass, or formula weight, we mean the same exact thing. You're going to go find, we're going to find the mass of the element or elements from the periodic table. Okay? And we're going to count them all up. Okay, for every single atom in that molecule, formula, unit, or whatever we're talking about. So let's go ahead and practice here. For an example, glucose, which is sugar, C6H12O6. What is the molecular mass? What is the formula weight? What is the molar mass? All of those, I'm going to go to the periodic table to figure this out. They mean the same thing. Let's write down what we have. Atoms. I have carbon. I have hydrogen. I have oxygen. How many do I have? 6. I have 12. I have 6. 6 times, go to the periodic table. What did you find carbon to be? 12.011. Hydrogen. I think it's like 12.01. Oxygen. There's 6. 15.999. We rounded to 16. Let's do our math. 6 times 12.011 comes out to like 72.066. This comes out to like 12.10. Something like that. And this comes out to like 96. We're going to add them all together. And we get a mass of 180.16 grams, give or take. I might be just a hair off. All right? And this is what, when we use the word formula weight, it's the same thing as the molecular mass. If we use the word molecular mass, we're talking about the molar mass. They're all used the same. This one is here for you to practice. Okay? So I'm going to check. You better have done this one on your own. Now, this mole map is what I like to traditionally use. Okay? You may or may not like it. You might like page number 5 with this little flip chart over there. I like this one. You are to do this worksheet page number 8 on your own. Define the word mole, and you are to practice. We will do some of these practices in class as well. We will go ahead and extend the time. I think I said next week on Tuesday. We can extend it longer if we needed to, but we'll talk about that in class soon. Alrighty? Okay. Make sure you get it done.